Hello everybody. So in this video we will talk about the OfType operator. And the OfType operator is a link operator that allows us to filter collections based on the type of objects that would like to filter out of it. Okay, so in this example here, what we have is a collection that has several types of data. We have 3, that's an integer. We have 3.2, that's a double. We have a string, we have bool, and we have a custom object here, custom class here. So the OfType operator, if you provide a string type, as that's what you'd like to filter out of it. So what you would get is just a string data that's contained in this collection, which is what's depicted here. So let's go ahead and look at what I have initialized here. I have a list of objects. So because object is the base class of C#, everything inherits from it. So we can hold essentially whatever we want in here. So uh, as you can see, this is a very chaotic looking kind of list, but the OfType operator is can essentially help you with filtering this data right here and be able to get just the ones you want. And this is essentially what happens in if you do any web forms programming. There's this control object that you can that has a property of control collection, and this collection can have many kinds of controls on it. There could be labels, there could be panels, there could be buttons, and there could be all kinds of HTML controls that would be held in this collection, and they all inherit from control. So control collection is an enumerable of control, but what it could contain are of different classes as long as they inherit from the control object, from the control class. So this is the same thing that's happening here. Because object is the base class, you could pretty much hold anything in here. So let's go ahead and use the OfType operator to see how we could, let's say, filter the strings out of this collection. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's create this local variable here. Let's call it filtered. Okay, what we want to filter is the OBJs, and then what we want to do is OfType. Okay, and the OfType operator takes a parameter, a type parameter that we can provide, and since we want to filter strings, so that's what we'll provide here. Not sure why I have this caps, but that's okay. So alright, that's all you have to do to filter that collection for just the strings. So if you go ahead and print this collection, what you're going to get is just the strings contained in that collection right there, which is why we got boom, wool, and baby. And it's very easily, this is the same thing you have to do for integers. For integers, you will get just the integers. Okay, and for bools, you would just get the booleans. See? And let's try the custom class and see if that will work as well. Just as well. Okay, so, and you don't have to stop there, by the way. You can continue chaining Linq operators here. So let's say we want to do an order by here. Well, for genes, there's not much we can do since there's only one of them. So let's do double. let's order the doubles from small to big. Let's do that. Okay, 2.3, 3.4, 5.5. And you know, you can do all kinds of stuff. So this is the video. In this video, we looked at the OfType operator, and what this operator allows us to do is filter collections that have different types of data or data of different classes in that collection, and you can filter them by saying what type of data you want out of it. Okay, if you want strings, you just specify that in the type parameter here, and then that's what you'll get. Alright, so this is the video, guys. Please subscribe if you like these videos and want to know when they're coming up. Hit the like button if you like the videos, and if you've got questions, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. So I'll see you next time.